Hello student, let us see the very small point, that is from the chemical bonding, that is average bond enthalpy, or you can say average bond dissociation enthalpy. Dissociation enthalpy. So what is meaning of average bond dissociation enthalpy, students? Just try to understand here from the slide. So they are saying the average bond dissociation enthalpy term is average amount of energy needed to break a specific type of bond. Okay. Average bond dissociation enthalpy means average amount of energy needed to break a specific type of bond measured over a wide variety of different gaseous molecule measured over a wide variety of different gaseous molecule. There is a rearrangement of the bonding between the component atoms of the reactant and products. Again, they are said measured over a wide variety of different gaseous molecule. There is a rearrangement of the bonding between the components atom of the gaseous reactant and product. Now let us see, students, again one more definition that is similar. What is average bond dissociation enthalpy? The average bond dissociation enthalpy term is the average amount of energy needed to break a specific type of bond measured over a wide variety of different molecules. It is essentially the average of all the bond dissociation enthalpy for a specific type of bond. For example, they are saying that is enthalpy change from CH4 to CN4 means what is earlier molecule were like that C bond H bond H and bond H. Now that is bond has been broken and carbon separated, and that is 4 hydrogen is also separated. At that time energy needed how much, students? 1656 kilojoule. Okay, 1656 kilojoule mole. The average bond dissociation enthalpy of, okay, 414 kilojoule per mole. Is it true or not? Okay, so bond dissociation enthalpy of CH4. Okay, bond dissociation, if you want to calculate bond dissociation enthalpy of CH4, enthalpy of CH4 means what will be there, student? That is 4 molecule. How many bond are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 into 1 CH bond, 1 CH bond, 4 into 1 CH bond, 4 into 1 CH bond. So what we can do, 1 CH bond if they are saying. So see, so bond dissociation enthalpy already they were given. So that is, here is the 1656 is equal to 4, you send it out 4 here, is equal to, you see 1 CH bond, how much coming? 1 CH bond, how much coming, student? 4 4 ja 6, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 6, 4 1 4. So for the CH bond, that is how much energy is coming? 414 kilojoule per mole. Now you see, student, how much they are saying? 414 kilojoule. So this is the true. No, it is true. Okay, let us read out the sign. In this reaction, 4 CH bond are formed and no other bond is formed. So hence the average bond energy CH is 1/4 of the enthalpy change. So that is, they divided, they got 1/4. So this is the true statement. Okay, next problem. They are saying one question is there, student. I already solved question. Bond dissociation enthalpy proportional to average of all bonds. Okay, so they see in the methane there are 4 types of bond are there. First bond is CH3H, that is 102 kilojoule per mole, and then CH2H 105, CHH 108, and CH, that is 83. If you add it out, that is bond enthalpy is coming 398. Okay, so if they are asking hence the bond, bond energy per CH bond in methane. So what we will do, student? that is either you can say hence average bond energy per CH. So 398 by 4, so it is 99.5 kilojoule per mole. One more question, student. The bond dissociation energy of CH in CH4 from the equation C plus 4H, it is CH4. So delta H is equal to minus 397.8 kilojoule per mole. Okay, now so that is they are asking which is correct options they are asking. So student, CH4 is there na, this is the formation, so energy required, no, energy is getting released. This is the exothermic process, exothermic. So exothermic, it is the bond formation enthalpy, bond formation, average bond formation enthalpy, bond formation enthalpy. So how can you do, student? Average bond formation enthalpy. So that is enthalpy is equal to 4 into CH bond. So total enthalpy how much given? Minus 397.8 by 4 equal to CH bond. Okay, so you cut it out. So how much? 3 9 ja 27. So 27, 28, 29, again 2, 3 9 ja 27. Oh, 4 9 ja 36, 37, 38, 39, again here is 3, so 4 9 ja 36, 36, 4 ja 16, so 99 point, this is the negative sign, 99.4 kilojoule. Okay, and 4 kilojoule per kilo calorie. Okay, unit. So correct option is, which one is correct option, student? This one, option number B is correct option. Okay, you can read out the slide. So delta H is given, C plus 4H is giving rise CH4, can be written as delta H, heat released in formation of C4CH bond. So delta H is equal to 4 into bond dissociation enthalpy of 1 of CH bond. So 397.8 is given, 4 bond dissociation enthalpy this. So bond dissociation enthalpy is this one, 99.45. So option number E is correct. Here we did the mistake, students. See what they are asking and what we are doing, that we have to understand. They have given bond formation they have given, student, formation, and dissociation they are asking. Okay, so for dissociation enthalpy we have to put the negative sign, because dissociation energy required, so it should come the positive, because in dissociation we need to supply. If you need to supply, that is endothermic process, so endothermic process means we have to keep the positive value. So 99.45, option number 1 is correct. Thank you so much for watching, friends.